Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll tell you guys, does Instagram still notify when you screenshot a story or a post? So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification onto our channel cause we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So Instagram doesn't notify you when somebody screenshots your story or post and when you screenshot other story or post. It used to notify others, but they removed it 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. But now you can just go to anybody's story and then screenshot it, or anybody's post videos and screenshot it, and it won't tell them. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Oh yeah, and before going, I just want to notify you that they will send you a notification or send others a notification if you take a screenshot of a video they send you on direct message. So if somebody sends you a disappearing video in your direct message and you screenshot it, or somebody sends you a photo on direct message and you screenshot it, then they will be notified. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So have a nice day everybody. Peace out.